Good morning, students. In previous class, we have studied comparison of four-digit number, ordering of numbers. Now today we will study forming greatest and smallest number. Forming means constructing or building the greatest and smallest number. Two cases are here. First case number first. What it is given when digit mean any number are not repeated. To form the when digits are not repeated, first condition is that when digits are not repeated. To at that time when digits are not repeated, what we have to do to form the greatest number while making or while writing greatest number, place the digit in descending order. We have to place the digit in which order? Descending order. Descending order means arranging the number from greatest to smallest is called descending order. Already we have studied this definition. You have to keep in mind descending order means arranging the number from the highest to the lowest is called descending order. When digits are not repeated, to form the greatest number, place the digit in which order? Descending order. You have to keep in mind while making greatest number, arrange the number in descending order. Second point, to form the smallest number, just opposite of that, while writing smallest number, what we have to do? Place the digit in which order? While making smallest number, we have to arrange the number in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest. So second point what tells? While writing smallest number, place the digit in which order? Ascending order. So keep these 2 points in mind. And suppose if 0 is given there, 0 does not have any value at the beginning of a number. If any number is given, for example 29 is given, and in place of 29 0 is written, this 0 do not have any values. 0 does not have any value. This is not 3-digit number. We can read this one 2-digit number only. Why? Because 0 is present but 0 do not have any value. So if we are not writing that 0, no problem. 29 only 2-digit number only. That's why 0 does not have any value at the beginning of a number. Understood? So write this case in your notebook. Case first. Right? And again, one thing you have to keep in mind, if 0 is one of the digit, if 0 is one of the digit, if one of the digit is 0, the smallest number is formed by writing. Suppose in the question if 0 is written there, 0, 6, anything, 9, 1. Like that if number is written, then if 0 is one of the digit, the smallest number. Now here 0, after 0 which number is there? 1. Smallest number. While writing smallest number, after 0, 1 is present. So don't write 0, 1. Don't take in this way. Ascending order we have to go. But 0, 1, 6, 9. Why? Because this is 3-digit number. So you have to interchange this 0 and this 1. In place of 0 you have to take what? 1, and in place of 1 you have to place 0. That means you have to place 0 in the second place from the which side? Left side. From the left side you have to place this 0 in the second place. Then you will get the correct answer. That means here 1 and here you will get what? 0. So keep this thing in mind. If one of the digit is 0, the smallest number is formed by writing 0 at the second place. From the where? Not from the right but from the left. We will fill the remaining place from the left to the right by the remaining digit in an ascending order. After that you have to arrange the number in ascending order. Only one thing you have to keep, you have to place 0 in the second place if 0 is present. My example, to form the, what it is given example first, form or write, to construct, to build, meaning is same. Form the greatest and the smallest number using the digit. Which digits are? Don't read this 6382, wrong. Because after every number or after every digit comma is present. That's why 6 comma, how to read? 6 comma 3 comma 8 comma 2. Using these digits are given and we have to write one greatest number and other one is smallest number. First of all, greatest number. Greatest number is, how many digits are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get 4-digit number. If 5 the numbers are written, then you will get the 5-digit number, like that. Greatest number. In which order we have to go? While in case 1 tells that while writing greatest number, we have to go in which order? Descending order. Descending order means arranging the number from the from the largest to the smallest. Now among this number, which is the largest number? First number is 8. After that 6. After that 3, and after that 2. So arrange the number in descending order. 8. Don't put here comma. 8, 6, 3, 2. 8, 6, 3, 2. 8,632. 8,600 what? 32. 8,000. This is the greatest number. 8,632. And one smallest number, and other number we have to write smallest number. Smallest number is, in which order we have to go? While writing smallest number, we have to go in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest. Which is the smallest number among these four number? 2. After that 3. After that 6, and lastly 8. Means 2, 3, 6, 8. Now understood? Greatest number is 8,632 and the smallest number is 2,368. Understood this example? Example, form the, what it is written, form the smallest 4-digit number using the digit 0, 2, 9, 5. While writing smallest number, what we have to go? We have to go in which order? Ascending or descending? Ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest. Now here, which is the smallest number? 0. After that 2. After next number 5, and lastly 9. Can we say that this is 4-digit number? Why? Because no, we can't say this is 4-digit number, because in front of this 2, 0 is placed. So 0 does not have any value. So this is actually 3-digit number, but we want 4-digit number. So we have to place 0 in place of 2. We have to place 0, and in place of 0 we have to take what? 2. You have to interchange here. Then you will get the answer. Means 2059. When 0 is, because 0 do not have any value at the beginning of the number, that's why you have to change. Here 2 will be there, and here what? 0. 2059. So the smallest 4-digit number is 2059. Smallest solution, smallest 4-digit number is 0, 2. So what we have to take first? 0 or 2? 2. 2. After that 0. After next number smallest 5, and lastly 9. In how to read 1, 10, 100, 1000. 2059. So understood these two examples? Write down in your notebook. Case 2. Case only 2 cases are there. Case first over. Now case 2. When digits are repeated. When suppose digits are repeated. According to question we have to go when digits are repeated. What we have to do? To the greatest number is found. How to write the greatest number? The greatest number is found by repeating the greatest digit. Among the given digit, greatest number you have to repeat. By repeating, repeat यानी बार बार एक ही नंबर लिखना, चेंज नहीं करना, उसी नंबर को लिखना है. Repeat मतलब by repeating the greatest number at the extreme left of the number. If 4 numbers are given, for example 2, 1, 9 and 7. Which is the greatest number here? 9. Which is the greatest number? Suppose here 2, 1, 9 and 7. So you have to repeat this greatest number 4 times. The greatest number is found by repeating the greatest digit at the extreme left of the number. So first point. And second point, while writing smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest number. The smallest number is found by repeating the smallest digit at the extreme left. While writing smallest number, here greatest number is 9. So we have to write 9. If suppose we have to write 4-digit number, then 9 4 times. 9,999. And smallest number, which is the smallest number here? 1. So repeat this 1 4 times. 1, 1, 1. 1,111, like that. So keep these 2 points in mind. Example now, form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number. How many digit number we have to write? 3-digit number using the digit 7 and 3. Only two numbers are written here, 7 and 3. Among these 7 and 3, which is the greatest number? 7. So you have to write 7. How many times? Which digit number we need here? 3-digit number. So repeat this 7 3 times. And while writing smallest number among these two numbers is 3. So repeat the this 3 number 3 times. First of all, we will write the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number is 7 and 3, which is the greatest 7. So repeat this 7. We can repeat the number here. 7. How many times? 3 times. Why 3 times? Because we required 3-digit number only. That's why 777. Understood? Smallest number now. Smallest 3-digit number. Two things we have to write: greatest as well as what? Smallest. Smallest 3-digit number is, among these 7 and 3, which is the smallest? 3. So repeat this 3 how many times? 3 times. 333. So understood this example? Note down in your notebook. Now homework. Let us practice textbook page number 228. From textbook page number which one? 228. Let us practice 2.3. Already you have completed, I think, that first, second and third example. Now fourth question, what it is written there? 4 times 50 you have to do. Build the greatest and the smallest number. Repetition of digit is not allowed. Condition is given. Repetition of digit is what? Not allowed. You can't repeat the digit. For example, first one, A, B, C, D, E. 5 examples are given in fourth question. 8, 3, 4. What you have to write? One greatest number and other one is smallest number. Among these 3 digit, which is the greatest number? 8. We have to, while writing greatest number, you have to go in descending order. 8, after that 4, and lastly 3, means 843. While writing smallest number, you have to go in ascending order, which is ascending means choti se bada, you have to arrange the number, which the number is smallest? 3. After that 4, and lastly 8, means 348. In this way you have to write the numbers. Remaining example you have to do. A, I explained, remaining thing like that, same thing. And question number 5, what it is given? Build the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number using the digit 3 and 8. Or otherwise, 5th example I will explain in next period. Only you have to do 4th question only. 5th question I will do. Only 4th question, try that. In 4th question, A, B, C, D and E. 5 examples are given there. Okay. Remaining example we will study in next period.